here. And of course, sa mga kasatorya na kayo siya. Hi everyone! Let's return please to the isang siya. Alright, siya. Sa final and Sarah. She's a poetry. And of course, she's from Japan. Let's just be sa opera area. Hi everyone! Okay, so everyone here. Come on, come on, Lala Chan, be careful. Kuya, doon tayo sa likod ni Lala Chan. Let's train. Follow Lala Chan. Later po, I give you time to take a picture. But now, Lala Chan is going to event area. Come on. Lala Chan, yung mga sa jungle gym. Hi, kids. Come on, everyone. Follow Lala Chan. Sundan nyo si Lala Chan. Pupunta tayo ng event area. So, we will be having a sport game. And of course, Lala Chan, invite natin lahat na mga sa virtual area. Hi, kids! Alright, everyone is coming join us here in our event. Come on! Ayan, hi everyone. Lala Chan, come here, go down. Slowly lang Lala Chan, be careful. Alright, kids, come on, dito na tayo sa loob ng event area. All kids, come on, please proceed here at the event area. Ayan, lahat ng mga kids na dito na tayo sa harap ni Lala Chan. All kids in the middle of Lala Chan, come on. Yan, lahat ng mga gusto mag-join sa ating event. Again, lahat po ng kids na gusto mag-join here in our event area. So please come and join us. Maybe dito tayo sa middle. Ayan, dito tayo sa middle. Tayo lahat sa harap. And reminder to all the parents and guardians, outside po tayo ng event area. Kids lang po ang may iwan sa loob to maximize the space for our kids. Okay? Kids, move backward. Move backward. Move backward. Lala Chan, ano gusto mo sabihin, Lala Chan? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, kids, arm sideward daw. Arm sideward. Ayan, arm sideward like this. Ayan, spread out muna tayo. Spread out, arm sideward, parang Lala Chan. Ayan, again, reminder to all the parents and guardians, dito tayo lahat sa harap. Kids lang ang may iwan sa loob to maximize our space for our kids. Ayan, and pamonitor ng mga small kids to avoid accident po para ba hindi sila matamaan ni Lala Chan. Kuya, come on, let's go there at the middle. Pumunta tayo sa middle ni Lala Chan. Alright! Okay, hands up! Then shake your hand. Shake, shake, shake. When I say hand, you say hooray, hip, hip! Lala Chan can hear us. Hip, hip! Alright, are you having fun? Yes, so a wonderful afternoon everyone. By the way, let me introduce myself. My name is Kuya Jel, your host for today, together with my partner, Ate Kim, and Kuya So. Say hi, and of course, our lovely mascot at Ibzuna SMCP Caloocan. She's a 5-year-old pink squirrel. Say hi to Lala Chan! Ayan. Kids, do you want to see Lala Chan dance? Okay. So, ayan, before we start the game, we have our warm-up dance. Dahil favorite ni Lala Chan na dance, tuturuan na tayo ng step. Okay? Meron tayong basic step for our warm-up dance. Kids, are you all ready? Alright, so arm sideward muna tayo. Arm sideward. Spread out tayo, kids. Spread out. Okay. Then ituturo ni Lala Chan yung step. Lala Chan, ano yung first step natin sa warm-up dance? Ayan, sabi ni Lala Chan, gayahin niyo po siya. Sway to the right, sway to the left, sway to the right, and shake your body. Patingin nga, kids, and 3, 2, 1. Sway to the right, sway to the left, and shake your body. Step 2, Lala Chan, patingin nga. Pang step 2 natin, Lala Chan. Lala Chan said, strong like this. 1, 2, and shake.
let's roll down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Alright, is that clear? Are you all ready to dance? Lalatsyang, ready na si Lalatsyang. Okay, gagayahin natin yung start ni Lalatsyang. Now, we have a warm-up dance first. Before we start the game, Kuya Sam, music please. Let's march! March! Here we go! Shake your body! One more time! Shake your body! And turn around! But you, leave your feet like this. Yummy, yummy! Shake! One more time! Happy, lovely! And strong! One more! And roll! Hey! One more time! Hip hip! Very good, kids. Thank you so much, kids. Alright, all kids, can you please sit down? All kids, sit down po tayo. Sit down. Ayan, reminder again sa mga small kids. Ayan, para maiwasan yung accident, pasulot po muna. Salamat po. Move backward lalo dyan. Alright, for our games today, is what we call a tug of war. Who knows a tug of war game? Sino nakakaalam? Raise your hands. Okay. As you can see, we have a rope. Okay, this is a rope. Ayan, this is a rope, kids. Who knows a tug of war? Raise your hands. Sino nakakaalam ng tug of war? Wow, lahat kalaring tug of war. Ito yung lalaroin natin today. As you can see, we have a rope. And kids, nakikita niyo po ito? This is a mark. Ito yung mark natin. And then, example, meron tayong line. Okay, this is our straight line. Ang gagawin niyo, kids, is all you have to do is you need to pull the rope as hard as you can to your team and you can get a point. Papanoorin niyo si Ate Kim and Kuya Son how to play tug of war, ha? Panoorin muna tayo, kids. Ready, partner, and 3, 2, 1, pull! Alright, ganyan, kids. Pull the rope as hard as you can to your team. Kapag yung mark napunta sa team ni Ate Kim, I raise the kids soon ng flag and I count 15 seconds. Sino may 1 point? Si Ate Kim. E paano pag yung mark na agaw ng team ni Kuya Son? I raise the kids soon ng flag and I count 15 seconds. Sino may 1 point? Si Kuya Son. So, for the first team who got 2 points, our will be the winner. Alright, is that clear? Is that clear? Alright, Lalatchan, are you ready na Lalatchan? Wow, how about you kids? Are you all ready? Oh, but Lalatchan, may binubulo na si Lalatchan. Ayan, sabi ni Lalatchan, before we start the game, meron siyang safety reminder for us. Okay? Number 1, Lalatchan. Ano yung number 1 natin? No pushing. Don't push your teammate. Okay? Number 2, Lalatchan. No jumping. Don't jump, kids, because doon tayo naglalaro ng tug of war sa airjump area. Okay? So, no jumping. Alright? Number 3, Lalatchan. Oh, hold the rope firmly. Hawakan natin ng maigi yung tali. Then, ihilahin natin siya sa ating team. And then, lastly, Lalatchan. Oh, be sport and enjoy the game. Okay, Lalatchan, are you ready? Kids, are you ready? Alright. In a count of 10, you have to stand up and line up. I need 2 teams. So, ilagay tayo ni Ate Kim and Kuya Son. And 10, stand up. 9, 7, 6, 5. Tingnan tayo, kids. 4, 3. Line up tayo, kids. 2, and 1. Lalatsan. Anong gusto mo sabihin na lalatsan? Ayan, sabi ni lalatsan pag nakapila, arms forward na daw. Arms forward. Ayan, gayahin natin si lalatsan like this. Arms forward daw tayo, kids. Partner, pakibalance ng kids ha, from small to biggest. Ayan, ibabalance muna natin yung kids. Kailangan may mga small and big para fair yung ating laban sa tug of war. Okay, arms forward pag nakapila na po. Ayan, Ate Kim, medyo may malalaki pa dito. Palit tayo ng kids. Okay, let's count na. Bilang tayo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's pick 10. Alright, arms forward. Arms forward. Okay, ganito. Madali lang ito. Arms forward. Yan. Okay, ready na? Alright. Okay, kids. On my right side, kayo ay Team A. Let's shout Team A and 3, 2, 1. Oh, I can hear you. Let's shout Team A and 3, 2, 1. Team A, very good. On my left side, kayo ay Team B. Let's shout Team B and 3, 2, 1. Alright. Okay, Team A, hello! Patingin nga ng cheer. Team A, Team A, Team A, Team A, Team A, Team B, hello! Patingin nga ng cheer. Team B, Team B, Team B, Team B. Alright, lalatsan come here. Ayan, meron na tayong dalawang team. Ready ka na lalatsan? Alright. Okay, arms forward tayo, kids ha. Wala pong bibitaw sa pila. Okay? Wala pong aalis sa pila. Okay? Don't move, kids ha. Stay on your line. Let's go at the workshop area. Kami yung lalatsan. Susunod ang Team A. And of course, followed by Team B. Kami yung lalatsan. Wow, excited na yung mga kids natin. Team A, Team B, 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 Team A, Team B. Okay, hindi ko malalagyan sa B. Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B. No jumping, ha? No jumping. Stay on your line. Let's shout. Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B. Okay? Make two lines. Diretso tayo doon, Team A. Stay there. Diretso tayo doon. Very good. Make two lines. Lalagyan mo backward na konti. Yan. Make two lines. Pila tayo ng dalawang line. Okay? No jumping. Lalatsan said, no jumping. Okay? Hands up. All kids, hands up. Hands up first. Hands up. Team A, hands up. Team A, hands up. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Make two line. Okay. Habang inaayos ng ating partner yung mga kids, parents, for Team A, parinig naman ang cheer. Team A, Team A, Team A, Team A, Team A. And yung ating Team B. Parents, parinig ng cheer. Team B, Team B, Team B, Team B, Team B. Alright. Get ready. Team A and Team B. Hold the rope. Hold the rope. Hold. Not yet. Wait for my signal. Hold first. Dalawang kamay. Hawak muna tayo lahat sa rope. Nakahawak na lahat, partner. Okay, ready? Alright. Team A, are you ready? How about Team B? Are you ready? Not yet, not yet. On my mark. Round 1 and 3, 2, 1, pull. 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One point for Team B. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Shake your hand. Shake your hand. Shake your hand. Put it out. Put it down. Put it down. Hands up first. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Shake your hands. Sabi ni Lala Chan, shake your hands. Shake your hands. Shake your hands. Alright, for round 1, you got 1 point, Team B! Alright, Team A, babawi tayo sa second round. Okay? Parents and Team A, let's shout! Team A! Team A! Team A! Team A! Team A! Team A! Parents and kids, let's shout! Team B! Team B! Team B! Team B! Team B! Alright. Kids, hold the rope! Hold the rope! Hold, hold! Alright, get ready. Hold. Not yet. Wait for my signal. Okay na, partner? Alright, Team A, are you ready? Team B, are you ready? Round 2 and 3, 2, 1, go! 15, 14, 13, 12, 15, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Congratulations, Team A! Alright, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, shake your hands, shake your hands, shake your hands, shake, shake, shake. Come on, go back to your line, go back to your line, go back to your line, hands up. Okay. For round 2, you got 1 point, Team A! Nakahabol ang Team A. Alright. Kids, go back to your line and hold the rope. Hold the rope. This is the final round. Not yet. Wala mo nang ihila. Not yet. Wait for my signal. Hawak muna tayo lahat sa tali. Nakahawak na ba lahat ng kids? Wait for my signal, ha? Team A and Team B, this is a final round. Okay? Last na po. This is a final round. Team A, are you ready to win? Team B, are you ready to win? Alright. Again, parents and guardians, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B. Alright, kids, final round in 3, 2, 1, pull! What? 1, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! We have a winner! Congratulations, Team B! Go back to your line. Kids, go back to your line. Balik tayo sa pila. Lala Chan, come here. Arms forward tayo. Arms forward.
Kids, sabi ni Lala Chan, arms forward. Arms forward now. Go back to your line. Okay, go back to your line. Arms forward. Very good. Ang babait naman ng mga kids. Arms forward. Okay, Lala Chan, sino winner natin, Lala Chan? Our winner for Tug of War is Team B! Congratulations! Team A! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up, Team A! Dalawang kamay. Dahil winner ang Team B, let's give them a 5 claps and shout, good job! Okay? And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job! Okay. Alright. Team B, hello! Okay. Hands up tayo. Hands up. Dalawang kamay. Okay. Dahil binigay ni Team A yung best nila, let's give them a 3 claps and shout, very good! And 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Very good! Alright. Kids, go back to your line. Arms forward. Babalik tayo sa event area. Wala aalis sa pila. Again, walang aalis sa pila, kids. Okay, Lala Chan, come here. Okay, followed by Team A and Team B. Alright, don't break your leg, kids, ha? Lala Chan, be careful. Slowly. Okay. Alright, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B, Team A, Team B. Go, go, go! Wow! Alright, may natin lalagyan yung ating mga kids. Come on! Team A, Team B. Okay. Kids, balik tayo dito sa gitna ni lalagyan. Then arm side wide daw po ulit. Arm side wide. Layo-layo tayo ulit. Spread out. Okay, spread out tayo. Spread out. Ayan. Lalagyan. Ano ba yung lalagyan? Ayan, sabi ni lalagyan. Sasayaw ba tayo ng kanyang favorite dance? A love is treasure. Okay na po ba yung kids? Yes. Lalagyan, are you ready to dance again? Okay. Spread out tayo, spread out, layo-layo tayo. Ayan. Okay. Kids, are you ready to dance? Yes. Okay, Kuya Son, music. Hands up. Slowly down. And jump. March. March. And jump. March. Good job. Shake your hand. Sway to the right. To the left. Up your shoulder. Hand. And jump. And sway. Make a circle. And reach. And march. And jump. And sway. Cute. Like Lala Chan. And point. Put your hand on your chest. And turn around. And jump. March. March. And jump. March. Get ready to jump. And jump. Yay! Alright, kids, sit down tayo ulit. Sit down. Sit down tayo, baby boy. Sit down. Sit down there. Okay. Then, compress na tayo, kids. Compress. Tigit-tigit na tayo dito sa middle. Dahil may surprise si Lala Chan sa atin. Wow! Lala Chan, you got Lloyd.
sabi nila na siya, bago niya i-open, let's count, 3, 2, 1, and then i-open nila na siya yung box, okay? Wala tatayo, hasing na lang tayo, kids. Alright, Lala Chan, get ready, and 3! Open! Wow! Sit down, then hands up. Taas yung isang kamay. Okay, taas natin yung isang kamay para mabigyan tayo ng balon ni Ate Kim and Kuya Sir. And lahat ng parents, dito na tayo sa harap to take a picture. Parents and guardian, dito tayo sa harap. Ayan. Ready your camera spot to take a picture and video with our kids. Okay. Alright, ready na yung mga guardian natin. Dito na lang sa side. Yan. Okay. Alright. Kids, wave your balloon like this. Wave your balloon like this. Okay, magpa-practice muna tayo ha. When I say Kidzuna, you will shout, hooray! Okay. Louder ha. And 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Alright, this time, mas malakas, and then tingin tayo kay Mami and Daddy. Tingin tayo dun, kids. Look at the camera, fix there. Alright, again. When I say Kidzuna, you will shout, hooray, and 3, 2, 1, Kidzuna! Alright, good job. Let's check them here. Kids, are you having fun? Oh, nag-enjoy talaga yung mga kids. Lala Chan, ano gusto mo sabihin? Oh, yeah? Sabi ni Lala Chan, who wants to celebrate your birthday here at Kidzuna? Say me! Oh, Lala Chan, pili tayo sa mga parents. Ayan, mommies and daddies. Ayan, sa mga naghahanap ng birthday party package. We have different kind of party packages. Meron tayo sa counter area or kindly approach our friendly partner about our party package. And of course, thank you so much, mommies and daddies, to support sa ating mga kids. Clap your hands, everyone. Ayan, Lala Chan, ano ba gusto mo sabihin, Lala Chan? Lala Chan? Ano ba gusto mo sabihin, Lala Chan? Oh, sabi ni Lala Chan, kid, she need to go home na, but she's very happy to see you all kids. Are you having fun? Okay, so this time, it's time to say goodbye to Lala Chan, and 3,